Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by placing the divisor to the left and the dividend under the bracket. This orients the problem for every step. Next, pick the smallest group of leading digits in the dividend that the divisor can go into and estimate the first quotient digit, rounding down if unsure. Once done, multiply the divisor by that digit, subtract the result from the chosen group, and bring down the next digit so you have a new partial dividend ready for the next cycle. You continue by using quick estimation. Round the current partial dividend's leading digits to make a mental division, then refine the quotient digit as needed. Multiply the divisor by that digit and compare to the partial dividend. If the product is larger, reduce the digit by 1 and remultiply. This saves time over guessing. Once the subtraction yields a remainder, bring down the next digit and repeat. Make sure to align place values. You finish when there are no more digits to bring down. What remains is the final remainder unless you convert to decimals and continue. To verify, multiply your quotient by the divisor and add the remainder. The result must equal the original dividend. If it does not, retrace your last step. Re-estimate that quotient digit, remultiply, and resubtract. Small alignment errors or an off-by-1 quotient digit are the usual culprits. One troubleshooting tip. If results go wrong, re-evaluate the last multiplication and subtraction carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.